Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking something delicious. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And you know what I need you to do in the meantime? That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back. Actually, we are in the kitchen turning big dill pickles into relish and pickle chips. We are saving a lot of money because dill relish is not cheap and dill pickles are not cheap either. So we're going to just take those big pickles, put them in the food processor, make our own relish, take some of those big pickles, chop them up, and make some pickle chips. Look at that. And then we have those to put on our burgers or whatever we want to do that with. So I have 2 containers of relish, 1 of sliced pickles. Now, as quiet as it's kept, you could take the relish, mix it with mayonnaise, and have tartar sauce.